Hi everyone, if you have been using the Rednote app and recently the app has got some issues to fix or the app has got some problems on it, then this tutorial is for you. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Rednote app issue. So let's dive right in. First of all, find the settings app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, scroll down and tap onto the general option right here. Then here you can find the option of iPhone storage. Now tap on it. Then scroll down and find the app Rednote. After you find the app, simply tap on it. Then to fix the app, you can simply clear the cache of the app. So to clear it, tap on to offload app right here. Then again tap on to offload the app. Now wait for a few seconds and now you can see the cache has been cleared. Now tap on to reinstall app to use it. Now again wait for a few seconds. After doing that, simply go to the Rednote app once again and check it and the problem will be solved. And that's it. This is how you can fix Rednote app issue. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.